special funds are promising up to more than 20% in returns. Is it actually realistic? Is it sustainable? And is it doable? In this video, we're going to look at what a special fund actually is, how to choose the right one, the risks and returns, and its powerful role in diversification. Let me know in the comments section whether you're in any of the special funds and your experience. Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. GC is my name, and this is the Money and Growth Circle, where we are working towards financial peace and ultimately financial freedom. If this is your kind of content, you can consider joining the circle by subscribing to the channel. Let's get to the video. What is a special fund? Is a professionally managed investment fund.
A special fund sits in between a money market fund and stocks if the fund is professionally and well managed. Special funds invest in different vehicles like bonds. They also consider forex, they consider government bonds, fixed income securities, stocks, among so many other things. Why are people moving to special funds? One, they give you better returns than money market fund. They are professionally managed. They have better capital growth potential, and they give you portfolio diversification. Most aggressive special funds are giving returns of up to more than 20%, but this is what you need to understand. Sometimes they will be high, sometimes they will be less. So when you see a special fund giving more than 20%, don't expect it will be a guarantee that year in, year out, they will give you the same returns, as they fluctuate depending on the market. Here are the risks you must understand before getting into any special fund. Returns are not guaranteed. Like I said, they can be higher or less. The returns depend on the manager who is running your portfolio. They give you liquidity limitations because you need to know that they have a lock-in period of 6 months for most of them. Some lack transparency. Always find out where your money is invested. You can even check their website and see if they have declared where they invest your money and how their business is faring. That, to some extent, gives some level of transparency. You know, when you open a website and you can't see their past performance, that raises the red flags. But basic expectation is you find it on the website. If they do even better, they can communicate to you on a monthly basis. I see some communicating on a daily basis, which is so cool. So at least every day you know how your fund is faring, and sometimes you actually know where your money is invested. Let me know in the comment section how often your fund communicates to you on your investment. So how do you decide which special fund to put your money in? Number one, you need to know the fund manager. If you're considering Etica, get to know who they are, what they do, their history, the performance, the good, the bad. Look for track record, consistency, and reputation. The second thing, look for consistency, not just high returns. If 1 year they give you 20%, the next year they give you 10%, you may need to understand why the drastic variance. Number three, understand their investment strategy. Get to know how they invest your money, where they put your money, and just the risks associated with where they put your money. Then number four, liquidity. If you need your money in a short time, you need to know how soon you can access your money. Like I've always said, most of the special funds have a lock-in period of 6 months. You will need your funds before the 6 months. Perhaps you can check which special fund would give you that opportunity to be able to access your funds in less than 6 months. Check their liquidity terms, like if anything happens and perhaps you exhaust your emergency fund, because before you consider a special fund, you must have an emergency fund. That's not an option. So before, what is the period you require to liquidate? Number one, what notice period do you need to give them? And also, once you give them notice, how soon can you access your money? The next thing is, what are the fees and the hidden costs? Get to understand how much are they charging, and am I willing to take in the cost as I on board. A fund giving you 2%, others 5%. Don't just look at the cheaper one. Compare and just understand. Maybe perhaps there's a reason they're charging you 5% and the other one is charging you 2%. So don't just judge using one parameter. And also establish if there are entry and exit fees. From my experience so far, I have not had an experience of them charging entry fees, but in case you have experience, let me know in the comment section. When you're looking for a special fund, you're looking for growth and at the same time you earn income. So make sure that the fund that you're considering will give you this. So why do special funds improve diversification? They help you reduce risk because they lie between high risk and low risk, giving you some level of a balance. They manage volatility in your portfolio as compared to a hit you can get directly, especially if you're investing in the stock market. They bridge the gap between safety and growth, thus improving your portfolio's overall performance, and that's how small portfolios are built. Don't just invest in a special fund because of the returns. Invest because it fits your strategy. The goal is not to chase the higher numbers, it's to build systems that work over time. So, which funds to consider? First, you need to look and confirm that the fund that you're considering is regulated. You need to also check how their returns have been in the last few years. You need to check their consistency, their structure, such that by the time you're getting in, you understand what you're getting into. What are the funds that you can consider? We have Mansa-X, we have Oak Special Fund, we have Etica Multi-Asset Special Fund, we have Kuza Momentum Special Fund. The list is endless, you know. So when it comes to choice of a special fund, I would recommend, among the ones I've listed and any others in the market, spread your investment. Do not put your investment in one fund. If anything happens to that fund, you lose your investment. But if you spread, you have also been able to spread the risk. As we, I don't know whether this video or the other one will go up before, I've shared a video about spreading 1 million over low, medium and high risk, and that gives you some level of leverage because you have time to allow this other one to grow. Like for special fund, we all know it has a lock-in period of 6 months. So imagine if it is your only investment and you have an emergency. Make sure your emergency fund is in place, and also you diversify the special funds so that you also maximize on the benefits. Let's say this period Mansa-X is giving you 23%, Kuza gives you 25%, Oak Special Fund gives you 28%. Can you imagine if your money is spread in the three? How cool is that? I mean, this is an opportunity for you to spread your wings. This video was a request. Someone asked me which is the best special fund to join. The truth is, there is no best, but there are those you have to look at the features of how they're structured, where they invest, and their past performance, and have they been sustainable, Do you see potential in them? Then also don't put all your money in one of it. So you diversify, spread your risk. I don't know whether you understand where I'm coming from. Of course, we want to be associated with big shots and everybody, but then you also want to maximize on returns. Let me know in the comment section which one have you invested in and what are the returns? What benefit have you enjoyed over the time you've been an investor? I'd love to have a feel of how we are faring. Okay? Yeah, so if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I did receive a good response when I did a reaction video reacting to your comments, but I would not say that you're not responding to it. I would say I want to see how often we can be doing these reaction videos so that we kind of connect. I feel like if I do the reaction video, we get to connect and you get to have a feel that I didn't just ignore your question or your comment, or I didn't just see it. I took time to come and respond to it. And perhaps it's something you've been wondering. Like, one of the questions I had is, which special fund do I invest in? And that made me wonder how many people have the same questions. And you see, some people may have had those popular ones and they don't know the other ones that have even the same level of potential, or maybe they can even give you better returns, and still you will not lose your investment. Okay, yeah. To talk about funds, I've shared a few comparisons. I've compared Etica, Kuza, Mansa-X, Ox Special Fund, other funds. So in case you're wondering how to decide, check all those videos and you'll be able to make a conscious decision. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.